suffixes, something added to the word after the word, something fixed after the word in order to bring out another meaning of the word. Let us look at this example. The word tire, tragic, 3 and black. We will take the example of these 4 words. They all have a meaning. Tire, tragic, 3 and black. They all have a certain meaning which will be changed by adding a suffix to the basic word. Let us look at this example. The suffix here is less. So, tireless. So, the basic word was tire. And the meaning that has been changed by adding a suffix, less, is tireless. But it has a relevance to the basic word tire. It is not that the meaning of the word is going to be opposite to the basic word. Rather, it is adding something to the word tire. The tire word is a verb, to tire, to get tired, and tireless is an adjective. So that means by adding a suffix, the part of speech of the word, which is a basic word, will be changed to another part of speech. Sometimes in English language, students make a mistake because they think that the word tire can be replaced by the word tireless. However, the meaning of tire and tireless is different because they are 2 different parts of speech. Same is with tragic. Tragic could be an incident. So that means it is defining the incident, tragic incident. And then when you add al, which is the suffix, it becomes tragical. So again, it is defining. It is an adjective, tragical, but it has a standing of its own. So again, by adding the suffix, the meaning does not change in the sense that it does not become an opposite to the word, which is basic word tragic. Rather, it adds to the word tragic and it defines it in another way. Although the part of speech remains the same in this case, because a tragic incident. So, tragic is defining an incident, so it is actually an adjective. Again, if you say it was a tragical circumstance, so again it is defining a circumstance which is tragical, so it is an adjective, but it would be used in a different form. And it is not the opposite of the basic word. Fold is a suffix which added to the word 3 becomes threefold. Now it has no relevance between the word 3 and fold. 3 is a number, fold is a noun, which means there is a layer. However, when it becomes threefold, it describes something which has 3 folds in it, or it has 3 stages, or it has 3 steps. So in this case, it is totally different. It is not really adding anything to 3, and it is not even becoming an opposite, but it is becoming a totally new word. So that means in the case of suffixes, the output, or after the addition of the suffix, the word that is going to be created can be having different situations. Like for example, in the first case, we see that it becomes tireless. It has a connection with tire. There is some relevance with it. And it becomes a different part of speech, whereas in threefold, it has no relevance to the basic word and the suffix. Still, it becomes a totally new word. Then we look at black, and the suffix is ish, so it becomes blackish. Here, there is a lot of relevance between black and blackish, because it is describing the same color, black. Something becomes blackish. So it is similar to what black is. So there is a lot of relevance in this case. So we come across different examples in the case of suffixes.